Hi loves, what is up? It's your girl AshecaLee here, back at it with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this very colorful look. You see, we have our range of colors, our primary colors. If you don't know what primary colors are, then go back to first grade. No, but seriously, I just wanted to do like a colorful look because summer is here. So when I think summer, I think color. Like the blues, the oranges, the yellows, I think all of that. So I kind of wanted to incorporate all of the colors in one eye look, and I feel like I did a good job with achieving that. So this is pretty much just like a half cut crease, and I really love the way that this turned out, you guys. I am obsessed with this look, okay? I really love this. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. But stop. Before we get into the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that you can get an alert every time I post a video, because I'm on it, okay? I'm on it. And you don't want to miss out on any content at all. So make sure that your notification bells are on. Also, leave a comment down below in the description box. Let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys want more colorful looks like this, a bit advanced. I'm not going to say advanced because this is like a basic eye look. The only thing that makes it look advanced is the colors that we used. So this is definitely beginner friendly. And you do not have to be a pro to be able to do this look right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, we are up close and personal. Don't judge my eyebrows, I need them done. So what I did was just use the Duo Lash Glue, and I just pretty much sculpted my eyebrow hairs with that. And then I usually do my brows first and then outline it with concealer, but I forgot. So I'm going in with a Benefit brow pencil to fill in any sparse areas. And then I'm going to go over that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, just to add more pigment to my brows so that they can look 10 times more fuller. Let me know if you guys like these up close and the one eye kind of visual instead of, you know, further away and doing both eyes at the same time. Let me know. I'm just trying to do something different. Just trying to see what you guys, you know, connect to more. It was kind of hard doing the up close visual for you guys. I'm not going to lie. So I'm going in with the PLouise base. Now this is in the shade Rumor 3. And this is my first time using their concealer, and I have to say it's amazing. It's so creamy. It's really good. I love it. I'm using a Morphe brush. I forgot the name of this brush, but it's just a regular flat brush. And then I went ahead and applied more concealer to my lid space, the Rumor 3, and I'm just blending that out with a puffy blending brush, and making sure that all the concealer is blended out so that we can start with these eyeshadow colors. So I am using the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I just took that dark purple shade that's in the palette, and I'm just using this color to press down and to create my crease color. So I'm starting with my darker color first, and then starting with the lighter gradient shades on the outer corners. So this lighter purple shade is going to be the color to blend our colors together. So next I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush. And first I just started to blend out the colors naturally, and then I dipped into that lighter purple shade so that it'll be easier to blend out. So I just kept going back and forth, adding more pigment into the purple and the light purple shade. I use the color Rumor 1 concealer. That's their white concealer. And I just carved my crease out. And I'm just making sure that I'm packing the concealer on top of each other so that it can be more pigmented, so that when I apply the other bright colors, it can, you know, be as pigmented. So now I'm going in with that white eyeshadow that's in the James Charles palette, and I'm just tapping it in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going in with the yellow that's in the palette, and I am just tapping that in with a pencil brush, and I am just making sure that everything is pigmented. I have to say that there is absolutely no fallout other than the white because it was so close to my inner tear duct. So obviously you're going to get some, but I love how creamy the colors are and how consistent the pigment is in these eyeshadows. It's bomb, you guys. So I am just, using colors that pretty much go together. Like orange fades into red, the yellow fades into the orange. And then I ended it off with purple because the outside corners are purple as well. So I kind of just wanted to look like a blend, like that nice colored rainbow effect in the front and then that blend on the end. So now I am going in with my NYX liquid liner pencil, and I am just filling in my eyes, and I decided to do like a little line in the front of the concealer. I don't really do those, but I thought it would look cute, so I just went ahead and did that. So for concealer, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara, and I'm just applying these lashes that I ordered off of Amazon. I ordered like a big pack so that, I won't have to keep buying lashes. I just buy them in the bulk size. So now moving on to the face, I'm going in with the Smashbox Primer Water. Going to spray that over my face. And then with the Milk Primer. I love this primer. It's really good. And these two primers work very good together. Next, I'm going in with the MAC Strobe Cream. I love the glow, the illuminator that this product is. It just gives my face like a very nice shine and glow to it. And I love that. So I just rubbed this in, and then going in with the NARS foundation in the shade Tahoe. I love this foundation. This is like my number one high-end foundation ever. It's so creamy, and it just matches my skin very well, and this is definitely my go-to. Definitely. So I'm just using a buffing brush and making sure that everything is blended and making sure that my skin is fully covered with this foundation. I love this foundation, guys. So going on to concealer, I usually only use my Tarte when I want a glammed look, because the Tarte concealer is very creamy, very pigmented, and full coverage as well. So I love that concealer. And I went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer for cream contour. And I'm just going ahead and blending that out with a flat kabuki brush. And I think contour and highlighting is like one of my favorite parts to do on my face. Because it's like you're really an artist, okay? Like you have to bring back color into your skin, but you got to sculpt it and make it look cute at the same time. Like, yes, this is definitely my favorite part of doing makeup. So now I'm going in with the Real Techniques concealer brush, and I am just patting out that concealer, making sure that everything is blended. I love blending out my concealer with my brush instead of the Real Techniques sponge. I feel like the sponge kind of picks up most of the product, and the brushes kind of, it allows the product to be full coverage. So just going in with that brush. And then on my forehead. And then just making sure that everything is nicely concealed and no creasing. I'm going in with the Maybelline Shine Free powder, and I'm actually applying this powder with a dry beauty blender so that the powder can actually sit on top and can actually set everything instead of the beauty blender being wet. I feel like the powder will stick to the beauty blender and then it will kind of move my concealer. So that's why I'm using it dry. And then I'm also taking that powder underneath my cheekbones to kind of enhance that look. As you guys can see, it just made it look 10 times more enhanced.
My little 50 minutes lasted long as hell.
So now I'm going in with the NYX bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and this is one of my favorite bronzers ever. Just going over my cream contour, making sure that my face is sculpted very well, and also applying that down the sides of my nose, because your nose got to be snatched, okay? And then going in with a powdered brush, I'm just wiping away all the excess powder and making sure that my concealer is set. And for blush, I just went in with the Morphe 9B palette and just applied this color over my cheeks. And back to the eyes, I went in with a Kiss eyeliner in the shade Dark Blue. And then just went back into the James Charles palette and smoked my lower lash line out with the dark blue and with a green color. And then went in with the Mario Badescu, sprayed my face, and used the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on top. I love these two together. And now onto the lips. I went in with the NYX lip liner in the shade Dark Brown. And I got a new lipstick. In this video, I'll be using the Morphe lipstick. I forgot the shade, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. And it's like a very nice nude color. I love the way that it looked, but I feel like it was a little bit too dark because of the lip liner and it blending. My lips looked a little bit too dark for me. So I went over that with the NYX Butter Lip Cream in the shade London. And then I went over that with the Pixie Lip Plumper. Because why not, you know? And then for my inner tear duct, I just applied like a lighter shimmery shade so that it can open up the inner corners of my eyes a bit more. And then for highlighter, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. And just applying this to the high points of my cheeks. This is definitely my go-to highlighter because this makes my face just look 10 times better. Like, I love this highlighter. And it has my face looking so glowy. Like, sis, you can't tell me nothing. So, you guys, that is pretty much it for this look. I went ahead and sprayed my face with the Morphe again. And that is pretty much it. All right, so we are done with the look for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you did enjoy it, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below. And before we go, today's motivational quote is, sometimes you just have to lay low and grind. Sometimes it's best for you to just be quiet and let God show people through you. A word, okay? So with that being said, I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.
La 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 la.